Hello, beautiful people. I'm Advika, and welcome back to Big Basket's YouTube channel. Today, I'm doing something very special. I'm hosting my first ever girls' night in at my house. याद है कैसे बचपन में हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ नाइट स्टे करने के लिए अपने पेरेंट्स से भीख मांगते थे? The same feeling, but its adult version is happening today. I sent out the invitations and I'm super excited. So let's transform this house for its first ever girly night. Let's go. Okay, so step one, let's decorate and arrange the furniture inside this living room. We're planning to have dinner, watch a movie, and maybe even do some fun activities here. This living room looks fine, but it's not giving cozy, girly, just not the vibe for today. I don't know, maybe I'll regret this halfway through, but I'm thinking to remove all the sofas and placing the cushions on the floor because I feel like if we sit down, it's just more cute, more comfy, and just more grounded, literally. So let's start doing it. Hopefully, I won't regret it. Most likely, I would. This table has to be the main character of the dining room. I ordered a lot of decorative supplies, so let's transform this table first. Of course, we will start with the tablecloth. ये मैंने अंबाला से मंगाया है. I was hoping this is the right size. It fits so good. Look at this. Such a cute tablecloth. Look at this beautiful vase. I'm going to be adding some flowers to this. Okay, so I got some flowers. I'm like so excited to be even unboxing these. Stop. These are so pretty. Look at them. We have pink roses. Okay, so we have some glasses here. I was thinking to turn them a little more aesthetic and girly. So, ribbons to the rescue. Let's see how it's gonna look. So this is how it looks. I actually like it. It looks pretty cute. Okay guys, welcome back to my rasoi. Now here's the thing. If you guys know me personally, or even if you have seen any of my videos where I cook, you would know that I am not a cook. I'm not a chef. We have 1 hour now, and guess what? The menu has not even been decided. I told my friends that guys, don't worry, dinner मत करके आना. मैं अपने घर पे हम सब साथ में dinner करेंगे. मैंने dinner के बारे में सोचा भी नहीं है. And I don't want it to look like I did not care for them. So I'm thinking to order something which is less effort but still looks like I put in the effort. Let's order something from Big Basket. It's time for a Big Basket haul. This came really fast. I got these pizza minis. These are so cute and मैंने देखा air fryer में बन जाएगा. I'm gonna tell them कि guys, मैं तुम्हारे लिए specially pizza base लाई and then I had to add cheese and cut vegetables for you. So I got our favorite noodles, some chips, ketchup क्योंकि ketchup मेरे घर पे खत्म हो चुका है. And last but not the least, some cranberry juice. We all love cranberry juice. That's it for the haul. Let's make some food and it's time to get ready also because मुझे text आ गया. People have left their house. They're gonna reach any minute now. Okay, so there's one thing about adult friendships that I don't think I like, and that is that it is very easy to get on your phones and just keep scrolling and you don't realize time कहाँ चला गया है. I don't want that to happen today. I want everyone to have fun and take core memories from here. That's why I have so many activities planned. Like मैं literally पूरे week से ये सोच रही थी कि हम क्या करेंगे. What games could we play? What could we do? And I came up with some cool ideas. Idea number 1, paint, draw, do anything that's creative. I'm thinking we can make cards for each other and I think that's going to be so cool. मेरे पास सारा paper है. I literally have almost every color, pencil colors, watercolors. Another thing I thought of are friendship bracelets. And now suddenly friendship bracelets are back into trend thanks to the Eras tool. See, this is a friendship bracelet that me and my friend actually made for each other. So cute, so fashionable, and you will always look at it and want to wear it. Like something cool, like I actually wear this a lot. And the third idea, I think it's better to show it rather than say. So let's go. Ta-da! This is a projector. So cool, it's so cool. And I told them that we'll be watching a rom-com movie today. on this wall. That's why I kept this wall blank. Abhi, I'll show you how pretty it turns when I turn this projector on. 1 second. I have a projector. How cool is that? So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna be watching movies, eating, talking, doing some fun activities, probably painting. I don't know. I'm like really excited. And it's the perfect thing to relax, but at the same time, catch up with your friend. Be that kid which is inside you and it just wants to come out some days. Today is that day for me. We're all gonna be wearing PJs. I'm thinking to wear my pink ones. Let me just change and come. Okay, I'm in my PJs. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'm almost ready. My friends are gonna be here any minute now. And now it's finally time for the giveaway question. Comment down any 3 things from my Big Basket haul and get a chance to win exciting vouchers from Big Basket. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your best friend and tell them that it's a sign for you to have a girls' night in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!